Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be showing you how to add a mod menu to your gtag copy. So let's get right into it. Things first, you want to join my Discord server, link in the description. You want to scroll down to gtag copy help, and you want to find mod menus. Now you can download any one of these, but for this one, I am going to use the HUD Buds menu v3. So when I'm done downloading that, I already have it in my thing. So you download that, okay? And then you also want to go to mod scripts and download like Mosa Speed, No Clip, No Tag Freeze, No Clip. What is the 3 no clips? Fly, Gorilla Car, Iron Man, and platforms, blah blah blah, all that stuff. It's in my Discord server and down in the description. Okay, so once you're in it, you want to import the mod menu. After you import the mod menu, you should find a folder that says mod menus. So let me find it real quick, right here. So then you want to click the mod menu that you have, HUD v3. So I'm gonna do it over here. Or no, I can do it right here. Okay. So then you just want to place it there. The HUD buds, it's being weird. Okay, so now you have your menu. Now you want to select right click it, go to prefab, and unpack completely. Okay, now it is fully ready to be used. Now you also need to okay, there's two. So you want to download the Banana OS menu button, the Banana OS menu button 1. Okay, so just download those two. Once you've downloaded those two, you want to okay, so what you want to do is so what I like to do is go to click open pages, copy the page 1, click this and paste this child just like that, and name this page 2. Okay, just like that, and then turn it off. So now that you have that, right, you want to go back to page 1, and you can name the first one whatever you want. Oh, right, hold on. So with your scripts, you want to create a thing that says mods. So like create empty, so you click this, create empty, and name it mods. Now you want to click this, press create empty, and then name it whatever mod it is. So, okay, so you want to name it whatever mod that it is. And then you want to add the script here. So for long arms, you do object target as gorilla player. Okay, now what you want to do is go to this, change the text to long arms or whatever mod you're doing. So now that I did that, you now need to go to mod 1, add component, and make sure it's the 1, Banana OS menu button 1. Okay, press material, do pressed. Okay, unpress material, just drag this onto it. Button render, drag this onto it. Now, objects to toggle, you just want to press the plus button, scroll down to the mods thing that you added, and just drag that onto it. So Steam long arms. Now, it still won't work though, because the button needs to work. Sure, it'll work when you press play, but if you want it to actually work in VR, you need to change the layer from default to Gorilla Interactable, and then click yes, change children. And boom, you have a working long arms. Now, if you want to get the second page to work, you want to go to the previous button, okay? And then you want to add component, banana OS menu button, not the one, just that. Press material and drag on this for press material, and then drag on this for unpress material too. And then button render, previous page button. Okay, objects to disable and objects to enable. So you want those two. So objects to disable, because this is previous. So you do page 2 for disable and page 1 for enable. And then you want to change it to default to Gorilla Interactable. Yes, change children. Okay, now you have the previous working, but you did need to do that with the next page button. So now that you have the next page button, add component, banana OS menu. So this one's gonna be a little different. You want to drag this, and then drag this. Now with objects to disable and objects to toggle, objects to disable, you want to do page 1, objects to enable, page 2, and then Gorilla Interactable. And then you pretty much have your mod menu set up. So now that you have your mod menu set up, if you want it to actually appear in the hand, if you want it to actually appear in the hand, then you want to drag this over to where your hand is. Okay, so you want to go back to my Discord server. Okay, there you go. So now you want to download open menu. Now import open menu on here. So hold on, let me get this on the monkey's hand. Now that you have it ready and set up on the monkey's hand, whatever hand, left or right, you want to go up to where global is. You want to open global, and you want to find local VR rig, and then local Gorilla Player, rig, body, shoulder.l, or whatever one, so it would be right if you were doing right, but I like to do left, upper arm.l, forearm.l, hand.l. Okay, and then you want to drag this onto hand.l. So now you have it on hand.l. Okay, so now that it's on hand.l, now that it's on your hand, you just want to go down here and create a new mod. So you want to create empty and name it open menu, just like that with the caps. Now add component and add the open menu script. And now that you have this, you want to put the open menu parent as this, the HUD buds menu, and now you have a working menu, just like that. And if you would change it to like right hand, left hand, blah blah blah. So yeah, that's how to get a working mod menu. Keep these on. So keep this one on and keep the other one on. If you have any problems, then just tell me in my Discord or tell me in the comments if the Discord is not working, and I will re-put a Discord link. But other than that, that's pretty much how to add it. Hope you enjoy. If you want more content like this, then please like and subscribe. They helped me out a lot. So yeah, peace.